Hi guys, how are you all doing? Blessings to you all. Today I'll be preparing some curry pumpkin. So for this I'll need some onions and chives and curry, of course. I'll be using some sunflower oil and complete seasoning. So let's go. I went ahead and washed my pumpkin and cut it up in small pieces. So I had my sunflower oil to the pot, then my garlic. I add the garlic to the pot before the oil is hot. So that way the flavor, the oil is more garlicky in taste. Okay, I'm going to lower the flame a little because burnt garlic is not so nice. Then I had my onions. I'm going to turn up the flame a little bit just to get the onions caramelized. And for the onions, the caramelization process, whatever, if you like it dark, feel free to go ahead, but whatever you do, don't allow the garlic to be burned. And also I didn't mention that I'm also going to use some cayenne pepper in my along with my complete seasoning. So here we have browning, caramelizing my onions. Hopefully I'm holding the camera properly, the phone properly, and you guys are seeing everything. For me it's a bit difficult to do both. My onions, they are beginning to caramelize, so I'm going to lower my flame a little and add my curry to the pot. I'm going to mix in my curry and just allow it to cook. You can also use turmeric or masala. You can use all three, or you can use any one of them individually. So today I'll be using the curry. I'm going to add the complete seasoning to the pot. I'm not going to add no salt because the complete seasoning is already salty. And then I'm going to mix it in. And add my cayenne pepper. I'm not a spice person, so I'll just add a pinch of cayenne pepper. And yes, some thyme. Yes, I'll add some thyme. as I'm trying to figure out how to hold the camera so I capture everything. Okay, I went ahead and had my pumpkin to the pot, so I'm going to mix it so everything is evenly coated this evening. So everything is evenly coated. I'm just going to cover it and allow it to steam on its own. During the steaming process, I'm always getting my finger in the lens of the phone. I just continue stirring to ensure that it is coming along properly. So you just stir occasionally and leave it on low flame to do its magic. Okay, so let's stir again occasionally. See, it's steaming nicely on its own. There's a little juice at the bottom. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. I keep it in my fingers. Oh Lord, at the camera. Yeah, it's coming in. It's coming on nice, getting soft. So I'll just continue allowing it to cook and get soft. Okay, let's see what is happening inside here. Yeah, it's coming on good. The juice is steaming real nice. Really nice. It's coming along really nice. Yeah. It's coming along really nice. Getting real soft, puree like. Really nice. Guys, I didn't remember to add scallion green onions when I'm doing the caramelization process of my onion. So I'm going to add it, cut up some fine and add it to it at the end, because yeah, I didn't remember. I'm still nervous. I'm still in my learning process of sharing, videoing and sharing. So yeah, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you will try it, even though my instructions weren't that clear, but trust me, you will enjoy it. So I'll serve it as a side. So yeah, thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you.